Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and here's a concise comparison of Alpaca Trading and versus the Interactive Brokers 2025 to help you decide which trading performs fit your needs first or the best. Now, Alpaca Trading versus the Interactive Brokers, which one is better? The Alpaca Trading first. It is actually the API first brokerage platform designed mainly for algorithmic and automated trading, commission free trading on US stocks and ETFs, ideal for developers and quants building custom trading boards and strategies. Supports fractional shares, paper trading, and easy integrations with Python and other languages. No advanced human support or wide asset classes beyond stocks and ETFs. Now let's talk about the interactive brokers, the IBKR, a full-service global brokerage with access to stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and more. Offers advanced trading tools, professional-grade platforms, and excellent execution quality. Supports retail and industrial trades with extensive global market access. Charges commissions through pricing is competitive for professional traders, better suited for serious investors needing a comprehensive suite of trading and research tools. Now, you should use the Alpaca if you are a developer or quant focused on building automated trading strategies. You want commission-free US stock and ETF trading via APIs. You prefer easy-to-use programmable access and paper trading. Use Interactive Broker if you want access to global markets and multiple asset classes. You need professional grade trading platforms and research tools. You are an active trader or investor seeking broad market exposure. Now here is the final verdict for you that Alpaca is best for API driven algo trader and beginners focused on US stocks with no commissions, and interactive brokers are best for serious investors and professionals needing a full featured and global brokerage. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.